I am on the way to Chandubi Lake. I'm traveling from Guwahati toward Chandubi, and midway I just stopped and the road is really bad. You can see this long road under construction and it's not good at all to drive comfortably, but the right side of the road and the left side I can see paddy fields, rice all over. So I just stopped and decided to shoot a small video to show you guys how the paddy plantation looks in Assam. You can see this is the green paddy rice. This is the green rice and it is all over. I'm not sure I'm trespassing a private property or it's a government property anyways. Now I'll just go towards my destination to Chandubi Lake.
The road seems little rough here.
I saw some tea garden in front of me as well. On the way to Chandubi Lake. Assam Tourist Lodge Chandubi Lake.
There is a waterfall nearby. Let's check out.
Beautiful.